Yeah, it was sensational. I think the car is pretty valuable, but I really enjoyed it. Got a little bit of sideways movement, and with the other legends on track, it was good to have a bit of fun tonight. I think the biggest surprise is just, of course, the grip is very inconsistent, especially on the way into the corners and around the lap. So it's definitely not like asphalt racing. Obviously, the grip is incredibly consistent. Where here on the snow and on ice, obviously, it's very changeable, sort of entry, exit, and corner to corner. So that's something that I've got to keep an eye on.
I mean, the GT2RS has way too much power for the ice, for sure, but it's a very good car, very good handling, and with the rear engine you have the nice traction. And driving on ice is a bit like dancing, I would say. You need the right rhythm, and because you have a lot less grip than on a normal track, for sure. But it's a lot of fun, and if you have the right rhythm, then it's a lot of fun.
It's so weird to be in this.
Cabeça daqui nó, opa, sul.
Vorzunehmen.
Ja, gleich. Einmal hier unten, beide. Sehr gut.
Die Fahrzeuge natürlich von Porsche in Weissach designt werden, von der Designabteilung. 56 Nummer 1 Roadster auf die Straße gebracht, eben im Juni 1948. Insofern interessant, weil Brauch seinen behalten, also die Zentren.
Und daher sitzen wir genau dort, wo wir halt die